Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle, everybody. We're here in the jungle, the lush tropical jungle of the Philippines, the Western Visayas, and it's gorgeous. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to look for some snakes today. We're going to ride some motorcycles, and we're going to have a good time. Come along with me. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go in this jungle area. We're going to search for some snakes. There's some really big like spiders, poisonous spiders in here. There's poisonous snakes. Let's go ahead and see if we can find some. This is the area where I saw the poison spiders last time. Big black poison spiders. But somebody must have knocked the web down. Let's go ahead and search more. We're looking for some snakes on the ground. Let's find some poison snakes. This area has been dormant for months and months. The road was blocked, and I went ahead and cleared the path in this area. It's just jungle, and it's just really nuts, and there's lots of wild animals. Last time I hit my foot coming out of here on a piece of wood. The jungle is so overgrown that you can't even see what's happening here. We're hunting for these snakes. They have like cobras. They have wild boa constrictors. We caught one of those. I kept it as a pet for a while. But this place is very lush and it's very dangerous. And if you want a dangerous place, you might want to come to the jungle in the Philippines because it's teeming with life. It's teeming with life! We're on the hunt. We're on the hunt for whatever we can find in this jungle. It's just lush and it's green and it's beautiful. I'm alone here. There's just nobody around. There hasn't been anyone in this area for months. No animals except snakes and spiders. Right behind me is an area, there's like a cave area, and there's nothing there. It's just here alone, you and me in the jungle. How do you like that one? Do you like it? Well, I like it. And we're just hunting snakes. We haven't found a snake today. Very sad. But hopefully we can find one before the day's over. We're riding the Husqvarna FE250 in the jungle, and that bike just rips through the jungle. It just flies through the jungle like a bumblebee. It's really great, and it's just a lot of fun to ride a motorcycle in the jungle. Walking through this lush jungle looking for snakes. Where are some snakes? Gotta find some snakes around here. It's really lush in this jungle and it's wild. The motorcycle's parked up there. Do you see the Husqvarna? It's up there. The jungle is just lush and it's wild here in the jungle. It's wild in the jungle. We didn't find any snakes today, but we're gonna come back and look for some snakes next time. And we didn't find that poisonous spider that was up there in that web area. But we're gonna go ahead and jump on that Husqvarna. Husqvarna! We're gonna do some jungle riding. Do you like jungle riding? I like. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today in the jungle of the Philippines. It's a fun place and it's a wild place too. There's not a lot of people except for me and you. I hope you enjoyed the adventure riding motorcycles in the jungle. It's a good time because you know a lot of people don't have a jungle like this in their backyard. So I definitely appreciate that. And thank you so much. Please subscribe if you get value out of this video. Like the show, I appreciate that. Thank you once again, and we're going to see you, of course, we're going to see you next time.